Hey, I'm Fish. I got some lights on. I'm looking up at an airplane coming in for a landing, descending. Oh, what can I say? Did I yell? On the tunnel of Yellon. I'm turning into the barge because I want to see if I see some of my friends. Is it a rat on the boat? Sometimes you see the rat climbing and chasing. Spots. That's where we go. Just look for a spot and we'll go to it. Man, I won't be able to get across this bridge. All the fishing. I made it across. Let's get on going. Maybe we'll see the sun rise today. Again, I'm a little early. Now the boat, the ship, the vessel, the sailboats that is, and all the junk that just lays on here. And we lost one. You can make the call and you can get them out of here. They're just abandoned boats. Well, when I use the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 and I swipe down, swipe over to the towards the left from the right, and I go look for the SD format, it's not in the right place of the Insta360 X5. They're both in the different areas. I wish they would have just put it right there when you would have swiped down and over this way a couple of times and it's just formatted. Well, it'd be something like what we do on this camera. Swipe down, swipe this way, and right there you pick your format. Oh, I am looking up, and it is a wonderful day that I should have had my Sony ZV. I should have said Sony CyberShot HX99. As I look out, and I share the shot of a video, man, I gotta photograph this bad boy. I'm now set up for 3 seconds. But help me out first. I want to get into burst mode. Hit the on button. Swipe over to photo. Press or swipe up. There is no burst mode whatsoever. I hit up here for 2 seconds. I press off. I hit over here for field of view. I get out of here. I press on here for photo. And that's playback. That's that. Nothing happens there, and nothing happens there. We have no burst mode. Show me that I got burst mode in the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. I can't find it. I'm going to take a picture. Does it give a 3-second count if I do? It sure does. And I have disappeared from the picture because I stepped out of the shot. A question is, if you're doing video and you do the peace sign, should it take a picture instantly or do it with what you set up the photo for in timer? DJI don't do that at all. I'm happy that the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 allows a picture with hand gesture. If you sit here and you look and you see a little bit of flashes on the water, those are called snappers, and they are jumping. It's the season for snapper, man, and you could catch fish with snapper. Are you expecting anything? That's a FedEx plane. I want to say I see the Coast Guard, a cutter, and I finally get to see a cruise ship coming in. Yeah, maybe tomorrow, but the wind would change. And they're just back to back to back all day long. So we are waiting for the sunrise. I gotta put my thumbs away or a finger away, because if I don't, then the hand gesture puts the camera down. It turns off the video, like so. Oh, it didn't work this time. But I got someone here. I'm taking their vlogging spot up. They're interested in the sunrise as well. Well, let me tell you, it is what it is, man. What do I got on my helmet that says ZVZAZD05? Yes, it's a scooter, and I did a nice review on it. I still got it up on my helmet, and it's a budget scooter, no suspension, goes 20 miles per hour. It's slow to start, but once it gets up to the 20, it goes. And it's got those flat free wheels. It's in the budget entry, and it is a scooter that you may be interested in. It's solid, it's strong, it's rugged, and it goes. I'm not going to tell you to get it. You're going to decide from the video back when I had it out posted that it may be something for you. Let me point your direction over there. I got a helicopter. He's shooting video, surveilling. And there he is. And who are they? Could be a channel. So they are setting up, checking out, and looking. Wave to them. Maybe they'll put a flashlight on you. Channel 5. That's what I see. A big 5. And they're also looking at the sunrise. The spot that I've chosen to make a vlogger's area. The fish got to go find another spot and make it popular. I go around the water. The sand will get on the wheels and makes it slippery. Let's get on going. I got to put the noise canceling on. Talking about noise canceling. The Boya Magic. I want to thank you. I want to thank you, Boya. I want to thank you, agency. I want to really thank Fish for showing the Boya Magic. I have to go back to the editor and listen to see if the helicopter is in with the DJI Mic 2. Because we're all going to hope that DJI Mic 3's got artificial intelligence in there. This way, when I go right underneath the helicopter, you won't be able to hear it at all. Oh, I kid you not. I'm like right underneath the blades, and you may not hear artificial noise reduction. I'm with noise canceling off, and that's what you're probably going to hear. The helicopter, blades, the propellers, the noise. But DJI and Insta360 noise canceling gets canceled. Now with the Boya and receiver plugged in, We're all Bluetooth on this now, baby. And on that note, I'm Fish, and I'll see you on the next adventure.